Hey everybody, and thanks for watching Woodcrest Bonsai. There's going to be a delay in assembling my benches because I found a crack in this piece of wood and it's fairly long. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some wood glue, which is waterproof exterior. This is the best quality wood glue you can buy. And then some clamps. And I'm going to clamp that piece of wood. So that takes another 24 hours for that to cure. Cracks like this will allow water to seep right down in there. So even though it's going to delay it for a day, it's in the long run it'll be way better. And I don't think I need to show you the gluing and clamping, but maybe I'll show you the quote-unquote finished product. This will take another 24 hours to cure, so I won't be assembling the benches until tomorrow. And the trees seem to be doing okay. It's been incredibly windy too here, and it's supposed to be windy for the next 2-3 days. So that makes it very difficult to make videos too, because the wind just disrupts the audio so much. And man, I'd hate watching other people when they do videos where the wind is making it almost impossible to hear. So anyway, one more day. It's, what's one day, right? So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment if you like, and we'll do the actual assembly tomorrow.